Here's a cool diecast car that I picked up. This is the Nissan GTR R35 with a Liberty Walk body kit 2.0. It's got a unique color. I want to say it's like red chrome or something. This is made by Jada. It's called Pink Slips. So I believe this is like a limited edition exclusive Target brand or something. Very detailed. Like I say, it's got a carbon fiber looking hood, features opening front doors, right hand drive. What it does is I install working lights in it. Lights run off a 1.9 volt battery hidden inside. On and off switch right here. When the battery needs to be replaced, you have to remove 4 screws, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Real easy, guys. All right, let me turn the lights on so you can see. There we go. So you have the working super bright headlights and amber lights on the front, on the top. On the interior, you have some red lights. On the bottom of the car, you have some also red lights. 1 on the front, 2 on the side, and 1 on the back. You also have the lights in it. Exhaust looks like they're throwing flames and stuff. You know those JDM cars, how to throw flames on the back. So we have the red blue lights, like I said, throwing like flames. Here are the lights on the bottom. You have total of 6 LEDs, 2 in the center, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back. It looks super cool. With the lights off, it looks even better. The switch is too far away, so I cannot turn them off. But it do look super cool. It does come with this box, so pack for safe delivery. Please ask all questions before you bid. Did I tell you there was like interior lights as well? Maybe if I didn't. Red interior lights to highlight the interior. So again, it'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. It does come with a big spoiler on the back that attaches, but right now it's on the box, and here it is. That's what it looks like. It'll come with a card, so you can install it yourself. I'll leave it in the packaging the way it comes from the factory. This might be one of a kind. I don't know if I'll do another one. If I find another one at Walmart, but they do go fast. Collectors buy them right away as soon as they see them. So again, this is the only one that I found. So if I find another one, I might do another one, but most likely it's probably going to be the only one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.